Hello, everyone. It's Malcolm and Linda with the Suede Dogs. A big thank you to all our subscribers out there.
Thank you.
We have a song request from Eric Mitchell for his friend Christi Pitts. This song is for you, Christi.
There's a saying old says that love is blind. Still we're often told, seek and ye shall find. So I'm going to seek a certain lad I've had in mind. Looking everywhere, haven't found him yet. He's the big affair I cannot forget. Only lad I ever think of with regret. Ooh, I like to add his initials to my monogram. Tell me, where is the shepherd for this lost lamb? There's a somebody I'm longing to see. I hope that he turns out to be someone to watch over me. I'm a little lamb who's lost in the woods. Oh, I know I should always be good to one who watched over me. Although he may not be the man some girls think of as handsome, to my heart he carries the key. Won't you tell him please to put on some speed? Follow my lead. Oh, how I need someone to watch over me. Ooh, someone